How to hide repost on TikTok. Whether you want to maintain your privacy or just keep things a bit more discreet, this video is for you. Let's get started. Let's open your TikTok app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account. Then, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Once you're here, you can see the two lines in circle with arrow on right here. If you tap on it, you can see the 3 videos that this account has reposted. Let's figure out how to hide those reposts. Now, tap on 3 horizontal line in the top right corner to open the drop-down menu. Now, select Setting and Privacy option. Under Settings and Privacy, select and tap on the Privacy option. As you notice, there's no reposts option in settings here. For your info, the option to hide reposts is not yet available to all TikTok users. The only option you can do to hide repost is by enabling the private account. Just simply toggle on private account on top right here. That will make your entire TikTok account private. By making your account private, thus only the people that follow you will be able to see your content and video that you repost. Other people that don't follow you won't be able to see your videos and reposts on the platform. This way we will be able to have a bit more control on who sees our repost list and who doesn't. I know that making your TikTok account private isn't the solution that you were looking for, but for now TikTok it doesn't allow you to hide or make those posts private unless you set your entire account to private. I hope this tutorial helps you. And if you have any other questions or need more TikTok tips, drop them in the comments below.